late 90s, early 2000s. Oh! Welcome everyone. We have another mystery bag Monday. We're doubling up today because we have 2 bags to open. If you haven't seen this before, we buy these rag bags from local thrift stores and search them for vintage t-shirts that have value that we can resell. We just got done with bag week, so this is our first week back from that, and it was pretty crazy. We had some really great t-shirts come out of it, so we'll see what transpires out of these 2 bags. These 2 bags are from a thrift store that we don't normally do super well in, unfortunately. It's just the way it is. I think there's a lot more younger people donating at this thrift store than at the thrift store we normally do well in from. So who knows? You never know until you open them. So what's this? We got, oh, right off the bat, everybody, Goldberg WCW on the WCW tag. Great size. Looks like it's a extra large Goldberg wrestling tee right from the get-go. All right, guys, it is officially a good day. Man, when you find stuff like that t-shirt, I would suspect we get something in the realm of like 75 bucks, perhaps. We got, oh, and it keeps going, guys. System of a Down. This is a vintage System of a Down tee, like early 2000s, late 90s, on the All Sport Heavyweight. All right, this is the first like 3 t-shirts. Unreal. Looks like there's a bunch of stuff here. I got a Marvel tee, but I thought for a second it was like old school, but it's not. It's pretty new. Yes, I am in my snorkel parka because it is frigid out in my office right now. Frigid. Wait. All right. This could be nothing. To infinity and your mom. Clever. I don't think it's vintage. It's not single stitch or anything. Wow. Kind of got punked there. Speaking of Toy Story, we got one of those like Toy Story kid towels. That's cool. Wow. So, man, I'm so happy. The rest of these bags could be full of nothing, and I'm going to be plenty okay because we have those 2 amazing first tees. So, okay, this is WWE. All right, Legend Killer, RKO, Randy Orton. 2002. So this is shortly after they changed to the WWE. So this is actually super close to vintage. These wrestling tees still do well. I sell them fairly frequently. We've got, oh, guys, we got a Hardy Boys, vintage Hardy Boys tee. Fear is the only a 4-letter word on the anvil. Okay, this is incredible. This might, all right, if this keeps going the way it's going, this could end up being the best t-shirt bag we have ever opened. If there are more of this stuff in here. Old wrestling tees do super well. I have something here. Oh, okay. This is a vintage AFI t-shirt on a cinder blocks tag, dress accordingly. Yeah, AFI, a fire inside, vintage t-shirt. Not the most exciting t-shirt, but 99, 98 to 2000, 2002. Okay. This is unfreaking believable. I think I have sold this t-shirt in the past. This is getting crazy. I have. All right, so we got another Hardy Boys. I can't, well, there's the backside. I have sold this tee before for a good amount. This is 2002, right after they changed their name, or this is not Hardy Boys, whatever these guys are called. I forget what they're called. Wow, this is just unbelievably full of, and it looks like it keeps going. I will see. Yeah, here's another one. So 2002, another RKO. Wow, this is getting unreal. It's like every single one. Wow. Yeah, this is getting kind of nuts. All right, we got another wrestling tee here. So another 2002 Hulkamania, Running Wild. This is 2002, so like right on the borderline of being vintage, but this stuff from that era still, like, the market still considers it kind of vintage. So there's just more. There's like tons of it in here. Here's another something. Yeah, another DX reunion tour. The reunion tour. Another 2002 tee stocking up. Wow, incredible. Another one, Captain Charisma. That's how I roll. I don't remember. Another 2002 tag. Oh my God, wait, okay. No, this is not. I think this may be older. This is just Monster Energy Motocross, okay. For a second I thought it was another DX, but that's, well, no. So, oh, we got a Stone Cold. All right, Stone Cold University. This is WWF 98 on the Highland. All right, this is officially the best t-shirt bag we've ever opened. Mostly because of the sheer number of like solid, rock solid tees, and they just keep seeming to keep coming. Got another wrestling tee. This is WWE as well. 2002, 2007. It's a little earlier, or a little later. Shawn Michaels, Heartbreak Kid. I don't know tons and tons about wrestling, to be completely honest, but wrestling tees, older wrestling tees, still do great. We got another one. We got another Hulkamania in red this time. It's probably another 2002. It's an XL 2002. So right there on the border of being technically market vintage. So unbelievable. And this bag just keeps going. Let's see. I think we'll see. I don't know. You just don't know. It's like it's so full of, and it's not even the biggest bag of the day. Like we're gonna do double bags, and I have another bag right here that's bigger and more full than this bag. That doesn't mean a whole lot. We got an old tap out tee. Makes sense. Doesn't mean that they're going to be like both good, but they're both in the same place. They could have similar t-shirts from the same donor in them. So got an Anvil tag. Wow. The Rock. Man, this is the second Rock tee of this week. Seal of approval, The Rock. Wow, seal of greatness. We are killing the 90s, late 90s, early 2000s. Oh! We got a Red Hot Chili Peppers tee. This is probably a late 90s print is what it looks like to me on the G merch tag. Maybe early 2000s. Still dope. Not single stitch or anything, but still dope. And freaking incredible. So we got a couple more here. We'll see if there's anything. Oh, golly. We've got, this is WWF Attitude. Oh, this is the best rock tee I have ever had. Rock the Millennium. This is crazy, guys. Oh my Lord. Oh, the freaking, wow. This is just the first, oh my gosh, guys, that's the first bag. What am I doing here? Oh. All right, so we gotta get through this because I don't want this to be like, you know, a forever video, but this is crazy, guys. I've never gotten a bag this full of heat from one of these rag bags. Like, it's just crazy. I really can't believe it. I mean, if I were to guess, there's probably $500 of t-shirt value right there. Like, when all is said and done. Like, I think that's probably how much is there right there. I mean, that last rock tee was just incredible. Incredible find. Such a cool t-shirt. And, oh wait a minute. Okay, we found another one. This is Dropkick Murphys tour tee. This is not vintage. I don't believe so. From the Warriors code. It's on a Bayside tag, and I see the Bayside tags pretty often, and I believe they're new. They are made in the USA. We will keep it. Dropkick Murphys tees aren't like crazy big, but it's still something that someone will buy. Someone will definitely buy for 20, 25 bucks maybe. So that's great. So System of a Down, Dropkick Murphys, tons of wrestling tees. You know, an enormous number of wrestling tees. It's just crazy to me they didn't put this on the racks. Like, I would have bought all those tees for their normal t-shirt price for sure. Like, no doubt. No doubt whatsoever. But, you know, they run their business the way they want to run their business, and, you know, I take advantage of the way they run it, I guess, and so it's up to them. Man. Alright, come on, let's see. I mean, I can't ask for a whole lot more because it was still crazy. Oh, this is dope. This is old Jump Rope for Heart. You guys remember that? This is vintage, like late 90s. When I was a young teenager, I remember that was super popular at the time. Everyone was out jump roping for heart, jump roping for heart, jump rope for heart, whatever it's called. Yeah, those were good times. Now, I don't know if there's a market for those jump rope for heart tees. I would imagine that if you found a really cool one, really unique one, that somebody would, you know, enjoy the nostalgia. That one's not particularly exciting in my opinion, but, you know, we might throw it up there to see if somebody's looking for that stuff. I recently found a lot of that stuff at thrift stores, so I don't know if it's just like finally making its way out to the thrift after, you know, 20 some odd years now, but I don't know. I've just been seeing them more often. Haven't bought any because I didn't think any of them looked particularly interesting, and, you know, for a reseller. Oh, we got a. This is a modern Hendrix tee, pretty cool. Yeah, golly, what a day, guys! What a day! I still got a lot. So we got a few, quite a bit of t-shirts to go through here. I'm kind of trying to speed it up so that we don't burn too much of you guys' time. But such a crazy bag opening. I mean, this thing totally beats out bag week from last week. This sets the record. It sets the flipping record. All right. Come on now. What do we got? Anything else? We did. Oh, we got a TSI World's Greatest. This is a vintage novelty tee. We might hold on to it. Sometimes those vintage novelty tees, if they're interesting enough, do all right. Especially if I'm, you know, not paying any extra than they've already paid. So like, why not? So why not try? Doesn't cost me too much to get the photos taken and listed. So if it's there, might as well try. We got a Michigan State University tee. Not particularly interesting at all. We're not going to hold on to that. Technically vintage, I think, but on the JanSport, but not something that I think anyone would be looking for. All right. We are coming up to the end of this bag. Certainly can't be upset at where we're at right now because we've done so well in that first bag. So if this bag produces nothing else, like, you're not gonna mess up my day. What? Wait a minute. Oh no, okay. Thought that was something, was not. All right, we're just cruising through lots of like high school t-shirts, local high school tees, stuff like that. Lots of like rags. We got another Dropkick Murphys tee. We will lot these together. This is Unite, Take 'em Down. So it looks like they like to use Union Made, Made in the USA type stuff. They can a little bit deceiving as to how old their t-shirts might actually be. Dropkick Murphys were around in the 90s, so there are technically vintage Dropkick Murphys tees, but they've been around so long, touring so much. There's probably just a lot of their t-shirts out there. All right, we're all to the end here. A couple more things. Just double checking that we didn't get, not missing anything here. Not missing anything incredible at the bottom. All right, last tee, and it is just a blank tee. That's the end, everybody. Wow, I am beyond happy with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Woo! Peace.